In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the Mirror My Video feature on Zoom. Sometimes while using Zoom for a video call or a meeting, you might notice that the image is mirrored. While this might be useful for some scenarios, there are times when you want your video to be displayed as it is without the mirrored effect. This is especially relevant if you're holding up a text or an image that should not be reversed. Luckily, turning it off is quite simple, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's begin by opening the Zoom application on your computer. Once you have the app open, look towards the bottom of the Zoom window. You are going to find a toolbar there. One of the options, usually represented by 3 small dots, is labeled More. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options for you to choose from. In this menu, you're going to see a list of settings you can adjust. What you want to do next is to click on Settings. Clicking on this opens up the Settings menu where you can find a multitude of customization options for your Zoom experience. Once inside the Settings window, look on the left side, where there's a menu with several options like General, Audio, and more. Here, focus on finding and selecting the Video and Effects option. Clicking this opens up a panel that displays various ways you can tweak your video settings. On this next screen, you'll see several video settings that control how your video is displayed. Now, you're looking for the option that says Mirror My Video and has a checkbox next to it. It's designed to automatically reflect the image horizontally. All you need to do now is click to uncheck this box. By doing so, you've just turned off the mirror effect. And there you have it. With the checkbox for Mirror My Video unchecked, your video feed will now appear in its original orientation, and any text or images you hold up will also appear correctly to others. This feature is particularly useful for educators, professionals, or anyone who regularly shares visuals in their Zoom meetings. So, to quickly recap, you accessed your Zoom settings by clicking on More, navigated to Settings, selected Video and Effects, and then simply unchecked Mirror My Video. It's that straightforward to ensure your video is displayed exactly as you want it to be during your Zoom calls. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your Zoom experience. Don't hesitate to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need